Hey everybody, if you're having issue where your Telegram is not downloading media and you are wondering how to fix that, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right into it. So first of all, we can check our internet connection. So go over to your device's settings for that. And once you head over to your device's settings, look out for the connections section and tap on it. And go ahead and look out for the Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you're connected to. And make sure you are connected to a stable one so that whenever you're downloading a media from the Telegram application, you won't be having any kind of issue. Apart from that, you can adjust the auto download settings. So within here, Telegram itself, look out for the menu option in the top left and select it. And then from here, just go over and select up your settings and open it up. Tap on settings for that. And then within your settings, what you need to do is look out for the data and storage section and tap on it. And make sure the data and storage, this option for automatic media download, it is enabled for both mobile data and Wi-Fi. So make sure that you just go over and enable these options and also enable the when roaming option, and that should fix the Telegram downloading issues. Also clear the cache for your Telegram. So within data and storage itself, look out for the storage users option in the top and select it. And from there, look out for the clear cache option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, confirm this one right here, and that should refresh, and that should probably fix the issue for your Telegram application that is happening. Also enable the save to gallery option. So within Telegram itself, once again, just go over and look out for the menu at the top left and select it. And from there as well, just go over and select your settings and tap on it. And then from here within your settings, look out for the data and storage and tap on it. And within here, look out for this option of save to gallery. You can turn on this option for private chats, groups, and channels, and that should allow and that should ensure the photos and videos are saved to your device's stories. So that is it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up if you wanna fix the Telegram not downloading media on your storage. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.